Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be spotlighting another retiring stamp set, badges and banners. We're also going to be using the coordinating punch that's retiring as well. We are going to be making this cute little card. Let's get started. So I have a piece of Calypso coral, and I'm just going to run my embossing buddy over. And I'm going to come in with my VERSAMARK ink pad. And then from the stamp set, badges and banners, we're going to be using the Best Friend Anyone Ever, Anywhere Ever, sorry about that. And I have that mounted on clear block D. Alright, and now I have my silver embossing powder. Alright, and I'm just going to grab my heat tool. Okay, and I'm going to take my badge punch, and this guy is retiring, as well as the badges and banners stamp set. So make sure you put this on your next order. And I have a foil sheet, and this measures 5 by 4 1/4, or 4 1/4, yeah. And I'm just going to punch out 2 badges from there. All right, so let's start putting this card together. My card base is Calypso Coral, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. I'm going to bring in my snail. And I have a piece, a 3 3/4 by 5 piece of sweet SOIREE paper. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put adhesive on all 4 sides of this. And then I'm going to place that in the middle. So just like that. And nobody's going to see the back, so it doesn't matter. And just for fun, I want to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And then I'm going to place this down here in the middle. All right, so yeah, that's how I want it. So I'm going to put some adhesive here. On the edges. And then just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and pop this up as well. And then I'm going to come in with my silver metallic thread, and I'm just going to run it around my fingers. And it doesn't have to be perfect. So just like that. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple card telling someone they're the very best friend ever. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!